How to transfer note old iPhone to your new iPhone. For that, go to your old phone first, go to your setting and open your iCloud account, and from here you can see the iCloud. Go to iCloud and press on see all. Now here you can see the note option. Make sure you are enable this option. Once you enable, it will be synchronized to your iCloud, and also iCloud backup is on. Now go back to your new iPhone, go to setting, and from here go to your iCloud account again, go to iCloud, and then you can see the save from iCloud and just synchronize this phone. Once you enable, now let's check it's working or not. Not NOTE. Oh, it's need to download. Now if I open the note for those phone, then you can see those notes are same. So that's it. This is how you can easily transfer notes old iPhone to new iPhone. Thank you. Have a good day.